And there's this stand of red, like lobster red plants. I'm not sure what they are. Anyway, so there's another stand of what I think are Neo-Mexicanus hops over here. So let's take a look. So okay, so we're past the three wooden stumps. We can go down. Yeah, we can go down here. So again, whoa, almost fell. This is that same stream. There's a little mini rapids right here. There are a bunch of fallen logs. So if we go across the river, or across the creek, and I'm going to use, I'll see if I can do it one-handed and two-footed. Okay, so I stumbled across this stand over here. I'm not sure what this plant is. I don't know if it's box elder or what. I mean, box elder is what I'm looking for, but this one has alternating leaf nodes. And the new bark is kind of this yellowish, orangish green color. But anyway, growing all over this thing are what look like wild hops. So here's some right here. We kind of follow it down more towards the base. You can really feel, well, yeah, like right on here I can feel some of the hook teeth. They seem to be kind of worn off in a lot of places, but you know, they kind of have this the same sort of characteristic sort of reddish brown color this time of year. Looks like this stand is a lot more dense than the last one. Again, they're just climbing kind of all over this. Here's some here's a broken off vine. It's just sort of sitting up in that tree up there, and you can see the opposite leaf node. Some of these, let me see if I can find a good example. Where were they? I guess it looks like it's most dense sort of right in here. Again, it's like pretty close to the water. I mean, if I had to guess, maybe like a foot above water level, but really just about right at water level. Some of these, I found a few earlier. I found a few really thick vines compared to the other one, but again, you can sort of see how they're all, I think this is the same one, yeah. Well, the hook teeth seem to have been worn off or fallen off or something. But like for here, for example, it's kind of hard to see, but I can feel on this one. The hook teeth are pretty prominent. That seems like more closer to the ground. They seem to be more prominent, maybe because they got knocked off or something, but you can sort of see this characteristic sort of twining around each other and sort of all up in this thicket of whatever this tree or shrub is. Again, I can't, let's see actually, let's look at these leaves. That could possibly be box elder. Hard to say, but it kind of looks like it could be box elder. Yeah, it's sort of got the three almost poison ivy-like looking leaves, so this might actually be box elder. Or at least there might be some box elder in here. Hard to say. a little, not a pine tree, I think that might be a larch. Not really sure, but some kind of evergreen back in there. Again, we're really close to this creek here. And if we walk back, we'll kind of see what it looks like from the other side. It's sort of a kind of an open field here, and then more trees leading uphill. Let's see if we can find any more hops over on this side. Maybe in here. Still snow on the ground. Yeah, they're just kind of down in there, more closer to the creek. So it's hard to say if that thicket over there, the group of hops, is one plant or multiple plants. Oh, look back here, right next to this little evergreen. It looks like more hop vines. Yeah, I think they are. They have the hooked teeth, opposite leaves. They're growing from the ground. Again, is that a different plant? I don't know. And are these the same as those over there? Hard to say. Kind of see it's like growing up, up into this tree. Kind of see, wow. See the tip of it. It's hard to see on this camera, but just kind of hanging off the end there. So there's again some more hops. So I guess this is all part because they're so close to each other, but they might actually be separate plants. Let's see what it looks like from this side. What is this? Okay, so this is not hops. I don't know what it is, but it's got a really smooth stem, no teeth. The side arms are still hanging on. The color looks different. Doesn't look like hops to me. The humulus seems to have kind of this, let's find it again. Where'd they go? Oh, right, should be up here next to this little evergreen tree up there. Where is it? Okay. Kind of hard to access from this side. Let's see if we can poke in through here. So here they are from this side. And you can kind of see down in here how they're kind of coming out of the ground. I could check I'll check the leaves for if there's any hop leaves on the ground. But anyway, kind of climbs up and up and up the tree. It's got this kind of distinctive color to it too. This light tannish, orangish color. All right, I'm gonna turn off camera and poke around a little bit.